My ex-best friend wants to get back with me. So basically I had a friend in 3rd grade. And when I was moving, they just lost hope in me, distancing themselves from me. And when I moved, they just were straight up toxic to me, saying I'm not a good friend and I left them behind. Well, obviously I moved on and forgot about it. Well, one thing, they forgot to remove me from the group chat. Alias their contacts. Some one day I got a notification from him, basically telling me if he wanted to be friends with me, and he changed. Well, that was it. Have a good day.